You think you know your pet inside out, don't you? Their personality, their quirks, the way they sleep. We thought we knew our dog Blackie too. But what if everything we thought we knew was just the tip of the iceberg? What if secrets about his origins, health, and physical traits were hidden in his DNA? To uncover these mysteries, we ordered the Koko Genetics DNA kit. And what we discovered completely changed our perspective on our companion. From placing the order to revealing the most surprising results, we share our entire experience with you in this video. Before showing you these discoveries, we wanted to explain why, out of all the DNA tests on the market, we chose Koko Genetics. Their affiliation with TellMeGen, a leader in human genealogical DNA testing for over 10 years, immediately inspired our confidence. Their prices, which are very competitive compared to their American and European competitors, also weighed in the balance. And what really convinced us were their unique features. We'll tell you more if you stay with us until the end of the video. Koko Genetics offers two main ranges for dogs and cats. The starter kit analyzes over 710,000 genetic markers to identify breed, physical traits, and even drug sensitivity linked to the MDR1 gene in dogs. We opted for the advanced DNA kit because it goes much further in its analysis. For dogs, it includes 175 detailed reports and screens for over 150 common hereditary diseases. For cats, there are 146 reports and 55 diseases. It's such a thorough health analysis that it can literally save your pet's life by detecting genetic predispositions. By the way, just a quick note. If you want to try it out, don't forget to check out the description. We're offering a promo code you can use in your cart to get 5% off. We want to point out that the partnerships we've negotiated with the labs help us fund our upcoming videos. However, they don't influence our opinion in any way, which remains 100% transparent and unbiased. So how does it work in practice? We ordered the DNA kit directly from the Koko Genetics website. Delivery was fast, and we received it within 4 business days. Registering the DNA kit was easy, just by scanning the QR code provided. We have to admit, we were a little nervous about taking the sample. All you have to do is rub the inside of your pet's cheeks with the swabs provided. The hardest part? Making sure they haven't eaten, drunk, or chewed anything in the 30 minutes beforehand. Our dog was a real champ. Once the sample was collected and secured, we printed the return label and sent it back free of charge. We then received an email confirming that the laboratory had received the sample, and then it was time to wait, but it was worth it. The results arrived exactly 4 weeks later, right on schedule. The reports from Koko Genetics really surprised us with how detailed they were. The first thing we liked was the breed identification. We suspected it, but finding out that Blackie was a real Labradoodle with exactly 45% Labrador Retriever, 30% Poodle, and 25% Golden Retriever was interesting. Then we discovered something extremely important in the health report, a moderate predisposition to hip dysplasia. Honestly, our hearts sank a little, but this information is so valuable. We immediately called our vet, who gave us advice on how to anticipate this problem and adapt his diet and activities. It could literally change his life. The 20 physical traits analyzed match our dog perfectly. Curly coat, cream color, medium size. Everything was there. This reliability is due to the analysis of more than 700,000 genetic markers using Axiom Canine HD array technology. What makes the Koko Genetics DNA test truly unique are the additional features we mentioned at the beginning. The laboratory surprised us with tools that we haven't seen anywhere else. It automatically generates a family tree for your pet with great accuracy over 4 generations. Koko Genetics also offers a DNA Connect feature that allows you to find genetic matches for your pet. Thanks to this feature, we were able to find real genetic cousins and get in touch with their owners to talk about our dogs. Koko Genetics also allows you to download the raw data to keep or share with a veterinarian for further analysis. To give you an idea, Koko Genetics analyzes 415 dog breeds, which is impressive. By comparison, Wisdom Panel has 350, and Embark, the market leader, has over 700. But its prices are exorbitant, and its availability in Europe is limited. In terms of turnaround time, Koko takes 4 to 6 weeks, while some companies, such as Quick DNA, deliver within 72 hours. Koko Genetics more than makes up for this with its unique features, such as DNA Connect and the family tree. So, what did we really love? First, the wealth of information, with no fewer than 175 reports and free updates. The family tree and DNA matches are real assets for finding your pet's family. And on top of the comprehensive reports, the quality of customer service is a real bonus. The team responds quickly in more than 10 languages, and the reports are clear enough to be shared with a veterinarian. Are there any weaknesses? Yes, a few. Processing times are longer than some fast competitors, such as Quick DNA. The database, although respectable with 415 dog breeds, is still smaller than Embark's. For owners of very rare breeds, the results may lack accuracy. Finally, some health reports would benefit from explanations that are more accessible to non-specialists. In our opinion, Koko Genetics is an excellent choice for owners looking for a comprehensive DNA test without breaking the bank. The lab offers good value for money, especially with the features included. We recommend it for owners of mixed breed dogs who want to understand their pet, future adopters who want to anticipate potential health issues, and breeders who want to trace genetic lines. However, if you are in a hurry, consider Quick DNA or Easy DNA. If you own a rare breed of dog or cat, Embark remains the gold standard despite its high price. Tell us in the comments, have you ever had your pet's DNA tested? What discoveries surprised you the most? Like this video if it helped you make your choice, and subscribe for more tests and comprehensive reviews on genetic testing for animals and humans. Thank you all. This is DNA Story.